Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change or add multiple toggles to your control center on iOS on any version. So like adding like flashlight or calculator or all that stuff. So let's get started. All you have to do is go to settings, then go scroll down, control center, and here you can choose whichever you want. Here is all the options. For example, this is what it shows. If you want to change the order of them, you just go on these three lines and you go up or down in which way do you want, which is more important to you. And now if I go back and on control center, you can see I have multiple options here. So that's it, how you change your control center. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Subscribe for more videos, by the way.